Hi everyone, I'll show you how to create a karaoke text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro in this video. This is Karaoke Text Effect. First, open a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro and import the video and audio files to which you want to add karaoke text. This is Karaoke Text Effect. There are multiple ways to create captions from a video, but for this example, I will create a text with the Type Text tool. I will leave a link in the description if you want automated captions. Select the text and make the wanted adjustments in the Essential Graphics panel. To highlight the active words, click the text layer, go to Effect Controls, select Text Settings, and click the stopwatch icon next to the source text. Move the timeline to the point where you hear the first word. Highlight the single word and use the highlighting color you want. Take advantage of the sound layer. You can see when a word becomes a voice by analyzing the sound waves. Move the timeline until you hear the next word, and take the highlight color off the first word to the second. Repeat the process to the point when every word is highlighted at the correct time. Preview your project to ensure the text highlights are in sync with the audio. Adjust the keyframes or timing to perfect the effect. This is Karaoke Text Effect. And that's how you create a karaoke text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.